जिब्रान टेंगे 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 भैया आज वैलेंटाइंस डे को दिल टूटे गाने सुनेंगे क्या? Hey Jibudan! So Jibbu is on his Continental GT and today is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to all you folks. So without further ado, we are at Rethi Boli proceeding towards KBR. Today is Valentine's Day, so we'll be seeing if we can sight actually our aim is not to sight couples, but yeah, that's bad manners, invading people's privacy. But Valentine's Day के दिन कैमरा लगा के तो निकल सकते हैं ना, अच्छा कर सकते हैं ना, व्लॉग बना सकते हैं ना. Let's go to KBR. So we are out at peak traffic time. It's 5:35 p.m. Valentine's Day, and I couldn't really spot many couples, but Medipattam couple spot करने की जगह नहीं है. Jubilee Hills वहाँ दिखते. So anyhow, I think the sun's gonna go down by the time we hit KBR and Jubilee Hills and the other parts of the city. Excuse me. Oh God! Zebra crossing FTW. So फसलांसर से अपन बंजारा हिल्स चढ़ेंगे, देखेंगे ट्रैफिक कैसी है. अंधेरा हो गया तो नाइट परफॉर्मेंस भी मालूम आता कैमरे का. ऐश मौत डाल दे रहे भैया तुम. Oh God! फसलांसर में मार्केट लगी हुई है. चलो 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 नफीस कट नफीस कट नफीस कट नफीस कट. एशिया फसलांसर के गलियां, मौत की गलियां, तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी. So today me and Jibu are not out on couple hunting. No, we're not. Just yesterday I was going through some of the comments on YouTube, and I came across this one comment that said, like, you know, bhai, why don't you do saddle sore? And you know, a couple of people commented on my Instagram also. So I was like, why not? I've always wanted to make a video about this, so why not do it now? याद आया पाद आया कर दिए. And R3 भी रखी हुई थी, you know, variety on the channel. हाँ पहले फीस्ट एक्सप्रेस जाएंगे. We are out to answer the $1 million question that why Zohair Ahmed has not done saddle sore or attempted saddle sore or iron butt or GQ or any of those fancy rides which everyone is hearing about a lot nowadays, since the biking community has become highly commercial.
ये बिक गई है गवर्नमेंट.
खैर उसके लिए भी सेपरेट वीडियो आने वाला है. For now let's just keep it to these famous rides like, you know, iron butt, saddle sore challenges more of, and why I haven't done them. So first off, saddle sore and iron butt, these are the two challenges which nowadays almost everyone is attempting to do. And you know, a lot of people think that these are grades to, like, you know, benchmark a rider rank, like, you know, top rider hai ya chindi chutmut rider hai. If you heard someone say that, you know, I've done saddle sore, iron butt, probably ladies will be going gaga over that person. ऐसा करके रख दिया आजकल. But yes, so these rides involve doing a certain number of kilometers in a certain time frame, and you know, collecting ATM slips on a, like 24 hours में 1800 kilometers या 48 hours में 2000 kilometers something, you know, all those details also I don't even remember clearly when I had seen them back in 2012. Yeah, you have to do it basically non-stop, and you need to have a fast bike because you want to cover those distances. But also I have seen people who've done it on all kinds of bikes, Pulsars, FZs, CBR 250s, and people think it's a very big achievement. Chalo saddle sore maar liye Pulsar pe, oh my god. Sorry to break it down to you guys, my opinion is rather very different. I had decided on doing it way back in 2012 when I used to ride on my CBR 250, but then, you know, a lot of logic hit in, and then I thought to myself that, you know, these rides like saddle sore, iron butt, whatever, पहले तो ride करना है, you have to ride, literally rush all the way finish the ride, collect ATM slips and all on the way, and submit it to some authority abroad, and they'll scrutinize it and send you a certificate or some award kind of thing which you have to stick it in your room. By quite frankly, I don't get the point of doing all that. See, I at least ride for the fun of it. I've recently started touring. Recently बोलते भी it's been 6 months, and I'm in love with it. I'm a stunt rider by heart, but yet I love touring, and I tour because I do it for the fun of it. I like exploring new places. I like going to new places. I like the feeling you get when you're just cruising along on your bike. किसी को कुछ prove नहीं करना है. You don't have to prove anything to anybody. You're not in competition with anybody. You're riding solo. You're not racing. That feeling in itself is undescribable. Now these rides and all, they're spoiling the fun of it. And more importantly, in the upcoming biker generation and the youth, they're poisoning their minds. A lot of people have asked me, we want to do saddle sore, we want to do iron board. I never advise people to do it. See, I do a lot of dangerous shit on my bike.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left.
एक पहिए पे गाड़ी चलाना is a big deal. But still, उससे मेरे को मज़ा आता है. I get the fun of it. Doing these kind of rides non-stop. First of all, my rule is, if you don't get enough sleep, you don't ride, because riding requires enhanced reflexes and enhanced senses. क्या बात है भाई, खाली अकेले बच्चियाँ निकले हुए हैं. Where all the guys at, bro? Anyhow, my first rule is never ride when you're sleep deprived, and you're riding without sleep and without your without being in your senses, all tired and shit, to prove something to somebody who's sitting abroad, going through your ATM slips and all and whatever, and then telling you that awarding you with a certificate with congratulations, you've done this. Bhai chutiya pa hai. Nothing is more important than life. Already riding, we put our lives in a lot of danger, but at least if you're doing it, try to extract fun out of it. Maze karo, phiro, dekho, explore new places. What is the use when a lot of people nowadays claim to be riding, whereas all they're doing is just खाली भगारे, covering kilometers, gobbling miles, not stopping anywhere on the way, not admiring the nature, not admiring the places. And of course, there's a lot of commercial touch to biking nowadays. उसके ऊपर तो वीडियो आने वाला है.
अब गवर्नमेंट में कुछ नहीं है.
Yeah, being sleep deprived, and then a lot of people try to take small bikes like under 200cc, complete these challenges, and I don't know what they try to prove to people, that it's not safe, guys. See, always remember, riding a fast bike slow is any day better than riding a slow bike fast, because when you're riding a slow bike fast, you're crossing the limits of your motorcycle. And I think Jibbu already found a friend. So anyways, KBR ka round मार के will be coming back and chilling here. This is my chill out spot, Feast Express, opposite Stone Waters. Most evenings you'll find me sitting and chilling out here with my buddies. Coming back to the point, it is not worth risking your life over something which probably doesn't even have much significance. It's not like you're getting a Padma Bhushan award or something. You're just getting a piece of paper and probably some award kind of thing, which, for what joy? You're depriving yourself of sleep. And Indian highways especially, presence of mind is utmost important. You cannot ride when you're sleepy or drugged or drunk or whatever. Never. I always advise people never to do that. किसी के सामने छोटे नहीं हो जा रहे आप if you're taking some extra sleep and heading out late. Seen a lot of people who sleep at like 4-5 in the morning and then head out for a ride at 7-8 o'clock. Not safe, guys. I myself have done it once or twice. I know how fucked up it feels. So yep, I do not plan on doing these rides anytime. It's stupid. I don't want to risk my life. And to all you guys, all you young bikers, budding bikers watching this, biking is not a race. Biking is not a competition. Biking is not a, it's not your class 1, class 2, class 10 nahi rehta yahan pe. We all do it because we love it. At least I do it because I love it. A lot of people are commercializing and making it seem like a competition. It is not that way. आपको किसी को कुछ प्रूव नहीं करना है दैट यू नो वी हैव रिटन दिस, these many kilometers, I've gone to these lengths, I've done this, I've done that, blah 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 blah. I say if you're heading to ride, planning to ride, you know, I did the whole complete West Coast, like, you know, not complete West Coast, of course, 2,800 kilometers. I took my breaks, I stayed everywhere, you know, even when I'm riding, I take breaks. I admire it if I see some good scenery. I take my time because end of the day, there is no rush. You know, I don't have to go home and say, tell anyone that, you know, I did these many kilometers in these many hours. You know, probably it's not gonna make you seem cool. Okay, maybe for a couple of minutes, people might think, oh, you're a fast rider or not, but what are you risking your life for? You know, itna kilometers, you don't ride out every day. Okay, so whenever you're on a long ride, you better sink in. You know, you better enjoy the beauty around you. You enjoy the roads, you enjoy the scenery, the people, the culture there. You know, thoda ruko, you know, make vlogs, or even if you don't vlog, you know, just enjoy. You know, have stories to tell when you come back home, that, you know, I ate this here, you know, I met these kind of people there, you know, blah blah blah. I advise anyone and everyone, please, yes sir, don't think about all these. It's endangering your life for nothing. Like, you know, अगर कुछ ऐसा रहता कि, you know, you're doing it for somebody's welfare, या किसी का भला हो रहा, then it's a different story. But just doing it for a piece of paper and some award which someone sitting abroad is going to give it to you, looking at your ATM bill, scrutinizing what you've been riding, how you've been riding and all, please, I don't think it's advisable. And all of you subscribers thinking why the R3 is with me, well, the R3 is coming for a little bit of a review. That will be a surprise soon. We're changing something on the bike, so I guess we'll just go sit and chill at Feast Express for a while. Couples to zyada dikhe nahi. About sums it up. This is the reason why I have not done Saddle Sore or Iron Butt or any such challenges, because I think बहुत ज़्यादा risk है life को for nothing. You know, I take risks only when I feel it's worth it. Otherwise, I don't. And you guys should be the same too. Riding is not a competition. Riding is not a race. And to all the commercial guys out there who are making riding a commercial thing and a show-off thing, I'm coming at you, boys.
ये बहन चो सारे मिलके हमको पागल बना रहे हैं, मादर चौथ के बच्चे इतने गांड फटी के ये बड़वे।
सांसों की जरूरत है जैसे जिंदगी के लिए, बस एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के लिए। टिनियो निनियो निनियो निनियो, अरे हट भाई नियावा। क्या ट्रैफिक हो जा रही है भाई हैदराबाद में। She's carrying too much simply. That is a Lexus 570S, I'm not sure. हैदराबाद में स्पोर्ट्स कार हम बहुत हो जा रहे हैं यार, माँ की गिरगिरी। And also about these fancy K2K GQ, like the golden quadrilateral, हंसी आ रही है यार ये सब सुन के। like, you know, people think यही राइडा है, उसके अलावा कोई राइडा नहीं है। Open your maps, look in your Google thing, and, you know, go to a place, explore the place and enjoy. Aish. You don't have to do certain sets of rides all the time. You know, GQ करे, K2K, दोनों करे तो मैं भी कर दूँ, सॉल चुतिया पा। Let this go. फीस्ट एक्सप्रेस आ गया।